Elsewhere in North Carolina, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 53 at Hickory, 51 at Shelby, 52 at Statesville, and 52 at Greensboro. Raleigh-Durham reported 55, Fayetteville reported 58, Wilmington reported 58, and Asheville reported 48. In South Carolina, it was sunny, with a temperature of 56 at Greenville-Spartanburg and 56 at Columbia. Once again at 11 a.m., at the Charlotte Airport, it was 56 degrees and sunny. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Piedmont of the Carolinas, including Charlotte and vicinity. Today, sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. The extended forecast for the listening area. Friday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Friday night, mostly cloudy. Breezy with lows in the mid-40s. WXL-7's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Signal and receivers performance will be conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary at any given location. Normally more noticeable in even though you are using a good quality receiver, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. Station WXL-7, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. The warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Hanson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond.
It would have been a perfect activation.
In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards torn alert test. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time observations for the Carolinas on Wednesday. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Piedmont of the Carolinas, including Charlotte and vicinity. Was 54 degrees. Today, the sunny, 31. Highs in the lower 60s, 41%. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour.
No 6-hour events, and Mr. 259 actually.
Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower